Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make fish stew updated. Start by gathering fresh fish, aromatics, tomatoes, broth, and seasonings. I walk you through a simple sauté to build flavor, simmering techniques to concentrate the broth, and timing tips so fish stays tender. You will learn how to layer ingredients, adjust seasoning, and finish with herbs or lemon for brightness now. Before you start cooking, prep everything so the stew cooks smoothly and evenly. I explain how long to sweat aromatics, when to add tomatoes, and how to taste for seasoning during the simmer. You will see how to time adding fish and shellfish so they stay tender, and how to adjust acidity and salt at the end. This method keeps flavors bright and the broth balanced every time. When the stew is nearly done, small adjustments make a big difference in flavor and texture. I share tips on finishing with herbs, lemon, and a fat like cream or olive oil to boost richness without weighing the dish down. Learn quick tricks to correct salt and acidity, and how to plate so the broth, fish, and garnish shine. These finishing steps elevate a simple stew to something memorable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.